Hey everybody, I want to do just a quick video to do an update of what the plan is for June. So June, I have plans that I'm going to do a low spend month. So for me, that means like my normal grocery budget is $800 to $900, and that includes everything from feminine products to cat food, etc. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and cut it down to $50 a week, so a total of $200 for the whole month of June. And that is my goal. What the purpose is for me is to use up some stuff in my freezer. As you've seen in my previous 2 live streams, I did some organization of my upstairs freezer in my fridge and my freezer that's in my basement fridge. I have not touched the one in the garage, the big huge deep freeze, but my goal is to have at least one of them empty or at least filled with freezer meals from what I'm going to be making next month. The purpose is to also use up what's in my pantry, eat down what we have, and not spend as much this month. Because normally, as you see in my grocery hauls, I buy stuff on sale, and I buy 3 or 4 things, and it's really good for saving for the future. I get when it's on sale, and that is so I don't spend full price. But I have a lot of it. So I'm hoping to save that money and repurpose that money that I'm not spending on groceries to go towards pay other bills. So hopefully if anybody wants to do any shelf cooking or pantry cooking with me, I don't know how I'm going to do it, if I'm going to be doing a daily little vlog of what we eat and what we've used out of the freezer and pantry, or a weekly one, but it'll be part of what I normally put up. So there'll still be like grocery hauls and lunch videos and cook with me videos too. So hopefully you guys want to participate, and feel free to comment below if you are participating, and feel free to comment on my videos of giving me ideas on what to use when you see stuff in my freezer or my pantry. So hopefully you guys will participate with me and have lots of fun. I'm actually really excited to start doing this. I am doing a grocery haul on Thursday before June, but it won't be my normal $450 one. I do need to get like the cat food and cat litter and stuff like that there, because right there is $50. So, and my cats are almost out. So, but it won't be a huge haul. It might be even under $200, maybe $300. So, hope to see you on my channel, commenting and telling me what you like or what you don't like, and maybe sharing some ideas of what to do with some of the stuff in my freezer that I'm unsure what to do with. Okay, well, have a great day. Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye, friends.